Hey guys, welcome to another video of me doing hands-on and brief thoughts on the Xiaomi Mi CC9 Pro, or globally it's called Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro. I had another chance of visiting official Xiaomi store located in Crescent Mall, Vietnam. I know that Xiaomi's Mi Note 10 Pro released long time ago, but however, I'm gonna do it anyway. The Xiaomi's Mi Note 10 Pro is quite a bit well known since they put Samsung's 108 megapixel camera in the mid-range phone, and also as the leak says, the new Galaxy S11 Plus that will gonna be released in 2020 February will have 108 megapixel camera as well. The Mi Note 10 Pro has 6.47-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED Edge water drop punch hole display. And at the back side of the phone, there is f1.7 108 megapixel main camera, also called Samsung's 108 megapixel ISOCELL bright HMX wide camera, f2.0 5 megapixel 5x zoom camera, f2.0 12 megapixel telephoto camera, f2.2 20 megapixel 117 degrees ultra wide camera, and lastly f2.4 macro lens. And of course, 32 megapixel main camera on its front side. Xiaomi used Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G as their chipset, minimum 6GB of RAM, 128GB of storage, and maximum of 8GB of RAM, and 256GB of storage. The battery inside of Mi Note 10 Pro is about 5260 mAh battery, and supports 30-watt fast charging, which you can charge almost 60% in 30 minutes and fully charged in an hour. Of course, there is fingerprint sensor in the display, supports HDR10, and the cost of Mi Note 10 Pro starts from $383 based on the price in Vietnam. I personally think that the thickness of the backside camera is almost same as the thickness in iPhone XS, but just a little bit thicker, I'll say. And the color of Mi Note 10 Pro I could check on the store was the black one and the white one. The black one looked more like a really dark gray color, and the white one looked kind of a bit similar with the prism white color from Samsung's Galaxy S10 or Galaxy S10 Plus. The first thing that I had to check was the performance of 108 megapixel camera from Mi Note 10 Pro, and as all Xiaomi's devices do, there is another section where you can select to change your normal camera to 108 megapixel. And I'm not sure it's because the store is kind of dark, but I couldn't really see the difference between the photo taken with 60 megapixel normal camera and the photo taken with 108 megapixel camera until I zoomed over 3 times and could see some differences, but still barely. Size of photo taken with 60 megapixel normal camera was about 6 to 9 megabytes, and the size of photo taken with the 108 megapixel camera was about 10 to 15 megabytes. And as you can see, the 117 degree ultra wide camera was working well, but also the telephoto camera, which you can see the bokeh effects absolutely clearly. So there we go, here's my hands-on review and brief thoughts on the Xiaomi's Mi Note 10 Pro. As always, if you have any questions or your thoughts on Xiaomi's Mi Note 10 Pro, please let me know in the comments, and we'll see you next time.